Jagged mountainous terrain and abundant hydroelectric power in China's Yunnan province makes Powerline networks hard to inspect manually.
线路和电塔主要都架设在山上，交通非常的不便，环境也比较艰苦。以前我们进行人工巡检的时候，一天只能检查1-2基塔，用无人机以后，效率提升了大约10倍左右。
Reliability and security are the first things to consider when choosing a drone to carry out electrical inspections. The new Matrice 210 RTK includes a built-in DRTK system to withstand electromagnetic interference and reliably hover around power lines and pylons. Although the RTK system assists with flying close to power lines, inexperienced pilots still need to be cautious when at this distance.
我们在使用普通航拍无人机的时候，需要离电塔特别近才能看见细节，而且操作要非常小心。
Mission safety can be increased significantly if mounting the Zenmu Z30 camera on the Matrice 210. This adds 30 times optical zoom, allowing you to inspect minute details from 10 meters away. To identify all potential issues, inspectors must use visual and thermal imaging. With the Matrice 210 models, pilots can now fly 2 cameras at the same time and switch between visual or thermal imaging in real time to identify and locate faults. This dual gimbal configuration decreases the time needed to inspect one pylon to only 10 to 15 minutes. With multiple intelligent features and a new dual gimbal system, the Matrice 210 is a reliable and convenient tool for Powerline inspection teams. It eliminates the need for dangerous inspection practices and significantly improves project turnaround times.